Hey guys, today's video we are going to talk about how to properly clean your ancient slot car body. So just kidding, this applies to pretty much anything, but we brought Mullet Mike back. Mullet Mike's dirty. You can see inside of here, you know, it's just got years worth of grease, grime, gunk, and on the outside it even has some gunky stuff too. But this is just kind of a basic video to show you guys what we use. So I like to use the Dawn Power Wash. That is probably the safest and the most readily available over the counter. Oil Eater works amazing too. This is a degreaser. I don't know if it's where all it's available. I usually get it from Costco, but that stuff works amazing. I've never had a problem with either of these, but for today's video, because it is more readily available, we're gonna use Dawn Power Wash. So it foams and you can just spray it on there, let it soak, and then I'm just gonna use a toothbrush and kind of just work things around. So if the body has yellowed at all, this really isn't gonna do anything to remove the yellowing. This is just gonna clean grease, dirt, oil, that kind of stuff off without removing paint and decals. But there is a method for making the yellowed plastic come back and get brighter, which is usually hydrogen peroxide inside of a jar like this, and you would put foil in there and put it out in the sun so that the sunlight can bake it. That will definitely make it brighter, but one thing I'm not sure of is if the hydrogen peroxide will remove the decals or the paint. So that will be another video. For this video, we're really just going through using the toothbrush. And two, if you're an eBay seller or a collector, it doesn't really matter. I mean, this is a great way to make something that, I've made some really, really nasty looking slot cars look really, really good with this method. So we're nice and scrubbed. Mike is getting a bath, and now, obviously we could use the sink, and I think in some of the videos we have gone over to the sink, but Sam and I decided, because it's not very good lighting over there, that we were going to use we're going to do this over here. So let's see what we got. I'll just kind of pat it dry. Like I said in a previous video, cans of the keyboard cleaner work really good. Cans of compressed air. There is some other canister type air compressors that you can get for home. I actually have one at home. I can bring one in and maybe we'll do a video on it for those of you that don't have air compressor and that kind of stuff. But as you can see, the inside is as clean as it can get. There isn't any film on this or anything like that. I can feel that it's super clean. It actually did take some of the yellowing, it looked like sticker residue off of there. So it's just a super easy way. Dawn Power Wash. I use this on everything, honestly. It works great for cleaning grease off your hands. This obviously isn't a paid promotion either. This is just a product that we use here that is readily available, but it probably could work for cleaning your track as well. I just wouldn't recommend using water on it, whereas with this one, I have sprayed this on a lint-free towel and wiped the track clean, and that does work excellent. So but that is going to be a video later on. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If any of you do know more about the hydrogen peroxide to make yellowed plastic whiter, go ahead and throw that in the comments there, and maybe we'll do a video on that next time. So hopefully you guys enjoy this one. We'll see you on the next one.